She's a diamond. She's a diamond girl. She's a diamond. Diamond, diamond, diamond.
Just wanted to show y'all my little at-home space that I use when braiding. Basically just wanted to show that, you know, you don't really need a lot to start out with. I started out with a basic chair from my kitchen that I had people sit on, and I used that until I was able to save up for this chair. And it did take me a while, although this chair, it's not like extremely expensive, but you know, it took me a while before I decided I would invest in a nice chair. And I really love this chair. I got it off of Amazon. I do get a lot of people saying that it's comfortable. It goes up pretty high and down pretty low, so I love that. And then I have my station set up by my window, so during the day I'm getting really great lighting. And then in the corner I have my little lamp that can move and whatnot. And so if it's getting dark, I like that. And then I just have my station set up on a computer desk. I think I got this desk here from Sears, and I originally bought it for school. I bought it for my laptop, and just never really used it at all. Well, my laptop sat on it, but I never really sat at the desk to do any schoolwork or whatnot. And then so I just started having all my hair products on it. This mirror I bought from Walmart. Originally, this mirror was somewhere else. It was hanging like kind of by my staircase in my living room, and it was just like a decor. And then I don't know why it never came to me, but then like one day I seen it and I was like, oh, I should put this by my hair station. So I finally did that. And so yeah, I have a nice little mirror that I got hanging above my hair station, and my desk, all of my hair products, my lighting. I got my little floor mat. This is actually really messed up. It lifts. I got this from Amazon, and I don't remember how much I paid for it, but it's still as you can see, it's still very cushiony, so it still helps. But I didn't like the fact that it lifted so soon. I didn't lay flat, but hey, it works. So yeah, this is my little at-home station that I use. Nothing fancy, just something simple. And like I said, I didn't used to have that chair. I just had a basic chair, and that's literally all you need is, like, you know, your chair, your lighting, a mirror, and some place to put your products. So yeah, eventually when I move and get a bigger place, I want to have a like my own little salon set up where it's not in my living room. It'll be in like a separate room, a closed off room where nobody will have access to like my house or anything like that. Right now I am currently braiding in a salon, so this is just, I just still have this set up in case I do get those 1 or 2 clients that I squeeze in and have them come over my house. But most of the time I'm braiding in the salon now. But for right now, this will do. It works perfectly fine. And yeah,